This footage serves as a sobering reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety in mechanical environments. The video captures a vehicle being raised on a hydraulic lift. However, due to potential oversight or improper positioning of the support arms, the vehicle suddenly loses balance and falls to the shop floor. This incident underscores the need for strict adherence to technical protocols, routine equipment inspections, and maintaining situational awareness. Never stand beneath a suspended load, and always prioritize safety over haste. Being meticulous with every small step is the most effective way to protect yourself and your colleagues from harm. This video highlights critical safety failures during the operation of heavy machinery and industrial equipment. In the first scenario, an individual stood too close to a truck's tailgate during unloading. The sudden release of the gate under pressure caused a forceful impact and severe injury due to a lack of awareness regarding the equipment's swing radius. In the second case, a worker on an active production line failed to maintain a safe distance from moving parts, resulting in a limb becoming caught in the machinery. These incidents emphasize the need for strict adherence to safety protocols, maintaining clearance from operational zones, and staying focused to prevent workplace hazards. This video highlights critical safety hazards in industrial settings. In the first incident, an operator working near an active conveyor system suffered a severe injury when their arm was caught in moving mechanical parts due to a lack of safe distance. The second case shows a worker positioned too close to a CNC milling machine during an automated cycle, becoming trapped by the moving machine head. These events underscore the risks of high-powered equipment lacking safety barriers. To prevent accidents, personnel must adhere to zero-entry zones, utilize proper PPE, ensure machines are locked out before entry, and maintain constant situational awareness. The footage captures a severe industrial accident at a construction site involving heavy machinery. While a worker was positioned inside a trench, the excavator's bucket unexpectedly detached, falling directly toward them. This serves as a critical reminder of the importance of safety protocols. To prevent such risks, contractors must conduct rigorous inspections of all hydraulic components before operation. Furthermore, workers must strictly adhere to no-go zones, ensuring they never stand within the swing radius or beneath heavy equipment. Implementing physical barriers and having a dedicated safety officer on site is essential to protect personnel. This footage captures a dangerous incident at a signalized intersection where a pedestrian attempted to cross directly in front of a large semi-truck making a right turn. Positioned within the vehicle's blind spots, the pedestrian was invisible to the driver, leading to a serious collision. This serves as a vital reminder to always avoid blind spots, as areas near the front, rear, or sides of large trucks are often hidden from view. Pedestrians should prioritize marked crosswalks and maintain a safe distance from heavy machinery to ensure they remain within the driver's line of sight at all times. This video documents a sudden equipment failure where a large industrial fan detached from its mount while a worker inspected inventory. Driven by mechanical vibration and centrifugal force, the unit fell toward the worker, who narrowly avoided a direct strike thanks to a safety void created by surrounding crates. This incident highlights the need for routine maintenance, including regular inspections of mounting brackets and bolts for material fatigue. Heavy units should be installed by certified technicians using load-rated hardware and safety tethers. Workers must remain vigilant for unusual noises or vibrations and maintain a safe distance from overhead machinery. This footage documents a significant industrial incident during the unloading of bulk materials. While a large dump truck elevated its bed to discharge contents into a pit, a worker stood too close to the rear. As the material discharged, the force pushed the worker into the pit, where they were momentarily covered by debris. This highlights the need for a strict buffer zone of 10 to 15 feet from spill areas. Ground personnel must always remain visible to drivers and use clear hand signals. Inspections should only occur when the vehicle is fully stopped and the bed is secured to avoid risks of being caught or buried. The incident occurred at a construction site while an operator was using a crane to move a stack of heavy scaffolding. During transport, the load became unbalanced and began to tilt. Instead of evacuating, the operator tried to manually stabilize the multi-ton steel structure. Human strength cannot counter such momentum, and the stack collapsed, trapping him. This highlights critical safety lessons. Never attempt to manually restrain falling heavy loads, as physical force is insufficient. Workers must always maintain a safe perimeter and stay clear of the fall zone. Rigging and load inspections are essential before any lift to ensure balance. Most importantly, always prioritize personal safety over assets by choosing immediate evacuation over saving equipment. This footage captures a serious industrial fire involving large-scale pressure vessels. The incident begins with a sudden mechanical failure near the piping or discharge valves, followed by a powerful ignition that creates a high-velocity jet fire. The intense thermal radiation and overpressure cause significant structural damage, highlighting the extreme hazards of pressurized systems. Key safety lessons include the critical need for regular inspections of pressure relief valves, PRVs, to manage stored energy and prevent structural failure. Personnel must adhere to strict exclusion zones and evacuate immediately if leaks are detected. Furthermore, automated deluge systems are vital to cool tank shells and prevent a dangerous chain reaction in industrial environments. This footage captures a serious trench collapse at a construction site involving a deep excavation where workers were positioned without visible shoring or protective wall systems. Within seconds, a massive section of earth unexpectedly gives way, burying the workspace and creating a large cloud of dust. The rapid collapse illustrates the extreme dangers of unprotected trench walls. Mandatory safety lessons include using engineering controls like shoring or sloping to prevent cave-ins. Soil stability must be evaluated before work starts, as vibrations from heavy machinery can destabilize the structure. Additionally, equipment and spoil piles must be kept at a safe distance, while a competent person monitors for soil fissures. This footage captures a serious workplace accident involving a large commercial tire that ruptures during inflation due to excessive internal pressure. The blast propels the technician upward and scatters debris, demonstrating the extreme hazards of pressurized pneumatic systems. To prevent such incidents, it is mandatory to use specialized safety cages for truck tires to contain energy during a rupture. Technicians must utilize accurate gauges to never exceed the manufacturer's maximum PSI and maintain a safe distance from the tire's trajectory path. Finally, always inspect tires for structural fatigue or bulging before inflation to mitigate the risk of catastrophic failure.